Right now, we're seeing something unusual in the economy sentiment data. With a sentiment score of minus 0.03 and momentum of plus 0.88, this combination indicates a notable divergence from historical norms. The positive momentum suggests a strong upward shift, despite the overall negative sentiment. That's a signal worth your attention. Our API returns granular insights into economic sentiment, breaking down complex data into actionable metrics. Imagine using this in your application to identify economic trends early. For instance, you could build a dashboard that alerts business analysts when sentiment shifts rapidly, allowing them to pivot strategies swiftly. Dive into the details and start integrating this powerful tool into your workflows. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.